This is the wild around us. I'm Jeremy, your personal naturalist, coming to you from the Squam Lakes Natural Science Center, where we advance understanding of ecology by exploring nature. Today we have a new nature noise for you. One I'm pretty excited about. I think some of you are going to guess this one right off the bat. So let's not delay. Here is this week's nature noise. All right, that's it. That's the nature noise for the week. I'm going to predict that a couple of you will guess correctly. And if you want to send your guess, again, that email is in the show notes, but it is also Jeremy.Phillips@nhnature.org. Jeremy.Phillips@nhnature.org. And don't forget to get out and do the important thing and explore the wild around you.